Wallahi, Mikele, this country is not a corresponding. Wallahi, I don't tell you for this thing.
Imagine country where person go this is money.
Wallahi, Mikele, and they go back to Kano. You want to follow me?
I go follow you.
Wallahi, you know the only thing we can compete to do for you now, because you are my very good friend. I'm telling you to want my cow.
Musa, no like this your talk.
Wallahi, now very good idea.
To say you not be my friend now, for don't do so. Why you go tell me to car?
Wallahi, if I told you to car, I fit go sell you for road.
I think say you go say
later. Go collect am back.
You are who? Me where you say like how? Collect you dey dream.
Wallahi, Mikele, which kind of decision? If you turn car now, you go dey touch sweet grass.
You be mumu.
Musa, this one where you talk.
Wallahi, ne better idea. If I turn you to car, wallahi, let me go see you.
Hi guys.
Hey, fresh tomatoes.
My name is Akwapisi. Actually, I came to check if there is vacant apartment here.
We are vacant.
Wallahi, come again.
Continue.
I came to check if there is a house here.
Wallahi, house.
House.
Wallahi, house is there.
Yeah.
House. No, we not the rent house for you. House is there. Our house is empty. Wallahi, you no go pay chichi.
Nothing.
Everything stay okay.
No, if you understand what I'm saying.
Wallahi, madam, we understand. Our house is there. Now only two of us decide that house.
The house is empty.
We need pay like 3 abeg. Wallahi.
Please, I want to rent.
Don't worry.
What's happened now? Why you put my piece?
Sorry.
Good afternoon, ma.
Ah, junkie. You miss work? What do you want?
Actually, I came to check if there is a vacant apartment here.
Vacant, apartment. What's apartment?
House, actually.
Okay, house.
Yes.
Oh my God. Why do you come here?
I saw the gate opened and I was hearing some noises.
You
That's why I
fed my
came.
breakfast. Dad, this house is not for renters.
Understand him?
Miss understanding what? So I don't know what I'm talking about now. Listen, young lady, there's no house. There is no house! You mean by me? Don't you call him my husband? There is no... Cover your eye with the blood of Jesus, young lady. That is why you're looking for a house.
Hey! See him. Open down boy, yes, man. Child. I think go for cover my put
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Funka. So what do you want?
Please, I'm looking
Come listen, please. It's okay, you.
vacant apartment.
Are you vacant? Are you looking for a house?
Yes, sir.
Over you do. There is no house, but those my boss, I can send them out to you.
What?
Funka.
Wait.
Nanti for you know for me here can this and you move for.
Thank you.
Edi yempo. Atakade. Ogorogo. Zosio ogogo. Yangdi.
Musa, let's enable together. Let's plan this together. You know, I gave you people this as free.
Yeah.
It's now time. They say there's time for everything. This is the time for you people to leave my house.
Wallahi,
Put somebody.
Wallahi, Oga, I don't pick up. Wallahi, Oga, I don't pick up. Wallahi, Oga, because of Upopi, you want to come to me for us. You don't be that. Wallahi, Oga, I don't pick up.
What do you want to puppy? Do you know what is a puppy? A puppy is life.
Wallahi, Oga, I don't pick up. Wallahi, come and get out of my house. Wallahi, Oga, I will tell you to come. Wallahi, I don't agree. What? You know what Kano said? Wallahi, you know what? I will tell you to Canada. I will take you to my Kano state. Wallahi, today.
In my house. Oh, yeah.
Wallahi, you better than a puppy. Anyway.
Messi can't stay with us. And you go for Benazio?
Hello, okay, this one. You brace man.
Again, even what I saw in my blue eyes.
This one, what is this?
I see that about you. Even Bongo digging in what they were.
Okay, and thank you for watching Laff Nation Entertainment. Please don't forget to subscribe, share our video, like and comment. For event booking, anything business, call this number. But please, subscribe.
Subscribe.
What? Is it? If I tell you.